Hi. Hi, baby. Didn't you like the food I gave you? And she came over here to look at me, I guess. I don't know why my camera's all fuzzy like that. Oh well. Huh. Oh well. Let's see what's going on out here. Let's do a sky check, 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 check. Yeah, it's kind of froggy this morning. Well, it was misty out here earlier. It's still drizzling a little bit. I can hear the birds. Most of them are down yonder right now. Those are our park. Those are eucalyptus. There's a swimming pool over there too for the park. Oh, we don't use it that much. Maybe in the summer when it's hot. Go a couple of times. Come on, baby. There she is. Hi. Where you going? You got irritated with me? Oh, there's some of my plants. I gotta get in and get that dead stuff out of there. I'm gonna put half of those up in here as soon as I get the weeds out of my flower bed. That one got real big. This one here. When I started this particular one, it was about half that size when I planted it. This was maybe a quarter of the size. That one grew pretty fast, actually. Got that from my neighbor, Neva. I call her Mima because she was my mom's best friend, so she's like my second grandmother to me. Hi! Hey, you almost tripped me that time. What's the matter with you? What are you getting all excited about, huh? What are you getting all excited about, huh? Oh, oh, meow, meow. Hi, Two-Face. Half her face is gone. That's all right. You're healing. Good girl. All right. I love you guys very much. Remember, Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. None go to the Father but by the Son. Praying for us all. Remember to be honest and lift one another up, okay? Love you so much. Bye for now.